Hello children, once again welcome to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, a temple of learning, values and ethics. Um, Definitely you all are very good children, I know that. And that's the bonding of teacher and student should be continued, and you always should be a very good student, a very good child. I hope you all are helping your parent at home and you are stay at home and you are utilizing your precious time. So last class we have discussed about sandhi. So here first sandhi was jashtva sandhi, where the first letter will become third letter. So for example, ka has become ga, vak plus ishaha, vagishaha, ach plus antaha, ajantaha, and shat plus ananaha, shadananaha. Okay, so here tat plus api, tadapi. These are jashtu sandhi. The second one is anunasik sandhi. As we have discussed, also very easy. The ka first letter will become the panchamakshar, that is anunasik akshar. Vak plus mahima, vang mahima. Tat plus matram, tan matram. Jagat plus nathaha, jagannathaha. Shat plus mukhaha, shanmukha. Ta has become ana, the panchamakshar of the letter. The ta become na, ta become na, ka became anga. The first letter will become the panchamakshar of the family. So today again we'll go for another sandhi, and what I have thought that if we'll write on the slide it will be better for you. The first we'll go with this and later I'll write it on the slide. So here visarga sandhi, as the name we can know that visarg means what ma? Ka, aha, visarga. Cha, visarga, chaha, like this. So first letter is shivaha plus aham. So in visarga sandhi, this visarga aha will become o ki matra, will become o. Okay, let us write shivaha plus aham. Aham. So what I told that this visarg will become o ki matra. So what will be the word? She, instead of visarg will wo and hum. Shivoham. And this a will become lop, as we have learned. Okay. Again see saha plus api. So saha saha plus api. So this is like purvarup sandhi. This visarg will become o. So and instead of this a will sign lop and p. So p. Okay, and the next is कः प्लस अपि, कः प्लस अपि. Ka instead of this visarg, o instead of this lop, and kopi. Next is Ramah plus api. Ramopi. Okay. We'll take a slide and we'll write this so that we can do it properly. Let us write Visarga Sandhi, the fifth Sandhi is Visarga Sandhihi. Okay, the first word is Shiva, Shivaha plus aham. Aham. So, as we have discussed that this visarga will become O and this A will disappear and will give the symbol of disappearance like this A. So, Shivaha plus aham is called Shivoham. Okay. Now, if joint word will be given, so instead of this O ki matra, we will put visarga plus this is a ha ma. Shivaha plus aham shivoham. Okay. Next is the next word is, let us erase it first. Saha, Saha plus api. So instead of this visarg, O will become no. So sa, O plus instead of this a, lop, so plus api. So here how we'll write? Saha plus api, sopi. Next, kaha plus api, kopi. And the last one is Ramaha plus api, Ramapi. So we all know the rule that last class also I have explained. In for second year also you will get two type of questions regarding sandhi. So first will become vighatayat and the second one is sandhataha. If sandhataha will be given, you need to vighatayat, and if vighatayat is given, you need to sandhataha. So here first is saha plus api, sopi, kaha plus api, kopi, and Ramaha plus api, Ramopi. This is Visarga Sandhi. Okay, you need to practice at home properly. And next Sandhi we'll write. Last one is, sixth one is Visarga Ref. This is last one, okay? Total 6 sandhis are there in second year also. Visarga Refadesh Sandhi. So first one is for example, first one is Kavi plus Ayati. Kavirayati. How means? This first letter will become ref, ra. Okay? The second word is Pituhu plus Ichha. So Pitu, this first letter will become Ra, Pituricha. Got it? Now, third one is Nripati plus Jayati. Nurpatir Yati, because that first letter will become ref, no? Ra. Nurpatir Yati. Okay? And the fourth one is Hari. Hari plus Ichha. Sorry, the word is Hari plus Gachati. Harir Gachati. So this is Visarga Refadesh Sandhi. So all sandhis are very, very easy. So as I told that you need to, in examination from all 6 topics, question will be given, and you need to learn it properly, and you need to practice it. So once again we'll revise. First one was Jashtva Sandhi, where Jashtva Sandhi, the ka will become, first letter of the family will become the third letter of the family. Vak plus Ishaha, Vagishaha, Ach plus Antaha, Ajantaha, Shat plus Ananaha, Shadananaha, tat plus api, tadapi. The next one is Anunasik Sandhi, where the first letter of the family will become the Panchamakshar or Anunasik Akshar, like Vak plus Mahima, Vang Mahima, Tat plus Matram, Tan Matram, Jagat plus Nathaha, Jagannathaha, Shat plus Mukhaha, Shanmukhaha. The next Sandhi is Visarga Sandhi, where the Visarga will become O and the first letter of the second word will become lop. A will become lop. Like Shivaha plus Aham, Shivoham, Saha plus Api, So Api, Kaha plus Api, Ko Api, Ramaha plus Api, Ramapi. Now, Visarga Sandhi, as we have explained once again, Saha, the Visarga will become O and the A will become lop. That is the S symbol. In easy way we can say Saha plus Api, Sopi, Kaha plus Api, Kopi, and Ramaha plus Api, Ramopi. And here the last one, that is sixth one, is Visarga Refa Desha Sandhi, where the first letter will become Ra. So Kavi plus Ayati, Kavirayati, Pituhu plus Ichha, Piturichha, Nripati plus Jayati, Nipartiyati, Hari plus Gachati, Harir Gachatihi. These 6 lessons, that Sandhi topic we have completed. So next class we'll go for Vakya Nirmanam. That is very easy. Vakya Nirmanam is very easy. Again I'll write and I'll tell you what it is. So I hope you practice at home properly, because Sandhi is very easy but scoring topic. So you practice at home and do well at home. Don't forget that still examinations are there, because we didn't get any information. So you practice properly, because if you leave the practice, means all the hard work which you have done in last days, it will go waste. So I don't want that your marks and score should be reduced. I hope that you are safe at home. Be at home. Don't move here and there. Okay. So need not to go outside, and keep yourself safe. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. And